So this is part 2 of my favorites, my essentials, my holy grail 2018 products. Please excuse your eyes from the hole from my shirt. I will not make any apologies because I'm going to be painting and I refuse to mess up a good shirt. Not that I would not wear a good shirt to film for you guys, but yeah, this is like we're just trying to get it in where we can. Let's get into styling. Leave-ins. My number 1 leave-ins. Can you guys all say it with me? Can we say it together? Eden Bodyworks Coconut Shea Leave-In Conditioner.
If you follow me and if you don't know that this is my number 1, my roly home dog, my best friend, then you don't know me.
Eden Bodyworks Coconut Shea Leave-In Conditioner is the fucking truth, okay? I've had maybe 4 or 5 bottles of this stuff. This 8-ounce bottle was sent from heaven with creamy and silky ingredients. It is protein based. My number 2 for leave-in, it is the Tailored Beauty Moisturizing Spritz. This is the first and only spritz I've ever liked. I've tried other spritzes and I'm just like, it doesn't do anything for my hair. I don't know what it is, but it is bomb. I love it. It's super nice. The smell, it smells like candy. And I love the bottle. Sadly, I have like this much left in it, but I love it. It's my number 2. Oh, did I mention I have 2 number 2s for my leave-in? It is the Tailored Beauty Coconut Cream Conditioner. I told you guys, that stuff I style my hair with. That's how good it is. It's good for a rinse out and it's good to leave in your hair. It's even good to deep condition with. But I like it for a leave-in and a conditioner. My leave-in, I've done my buns with it. I've just done a wash and go with it. Shine that it leaves and the moisture that it gives me, it's super soft. So for my creams, just like my leave-in conditioner.
If you don't know what my number 1 hair cream is, you do not know me.
And after I tell you this, please don't ever forget it, okay? This is God's Tears in a Jar, Eden Bodyworks Coco Shea Berry Curly Cream. Out of every single product, deep conditioners, oils, hair spritz, I don't care. This baby right here in an 8-ounce, I will never, ever live without, okay? A lot of people are just like, why do you use that? It's from the kids line. And it's like, girl, the kids, adults, grandmas, your aunties, your uncle line, whatever, it is the same ingredients that you see in your regular brands. This stuff, it is a perfect combination for my hair. It has slip, it absorbs well, the automatic shine, the automatic clump that I get, the automatic curl definition that I get, it just melts into my hair and it just gives it like this nice curl. Like, you know when you pull your hair down and that bounce back, this bounce back goes like, oh, like it's just floating on cloud 10. I've done wash and goes, I've done protective styles, I've done buns, I've done flat twists, I've done mini twists. No matter what I do, this stuff always keeps my hair right and well moisturized. I love it more for my wash and goes, my twist outs, and for my flat twist. Those are my top 3 things I love this cream for, especially my wash and goes. Like, girl, the wash and go. My twist, my mini twist, it keeps it super, 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 super moist. Listen, there's not much to say. It is not even a 10 out of 10. It is a 20 on top of a 20. No one can tell me anything. If you don't like it, then oh well. This is my number 1. Next category, it's gels. You guys know I love me a good gel. My number 1 is Tailored Beauty Perfect Coils Gel. This gel, the reason why it's number 1, I've done a wash and go, a twist out, a braid out, my ninja bun, a high top bun, 2 buns, 3 buns, protective styling. I've done my flat twist, I've done chunky twist, mini twist. This gel is overall super moisturizing. Overall super moisturizing. The slip, it keeps my hair nice and moist for days after. It keeps my hair laid and it tames the frizz. I can even use this for an edge control, which I have. It's number 1. I've never had a gel to do everything and to keep my hair so moist for so long. Perfect. So to get into oils, it's going to be really quick. My number one is Shar Naturals. That woman, I love her. I met her off of Instagram. She is a friend for life. She makes her stuff all handmade in her home, all organic ingredients, high quality. I love her growth oils. I have 2. She only has 2 on her site. She has 2 and a hair tea rinse. I love her oils. I mostly love it to use as a pre-poo. My pre-poo game is strong with her oils. I love it, especially to do a scalp massage. Number 2 is a DIY oil. My main base being sunflower oil. Then it's olive oil. Then there's grapeseed oil, coconut oil, and argan oil. And I add in like a little tea tree peppermint, lavender oil. I love me some sunflower oil. I like to use that just to when I'm doing a protective style or to seal, or if I'm doing a hot oil treatment, or even to pre-poo. I love me some sunflower seed. With the high fat content, the vitamin E in it, it's bomb. Strengtheners. People always ask me, what's your favorite go-to strengthener? If you don't know my answer, let me tell you. Henna tea, henna will always be part of my natural, healthy hair journey. I love Curly Proverbs. I'm so thankful for her videos, her tutorials, her recipes. Her routines are just beyond extraordinary, beyond informative, just beautiful. She's a beautiful woman and I stand by her. I will always praise her and always be thankful. She helped me incorporate elasticity into my hair journey. I was lacking that. And henna tea, my recipe is from her. If you want to see the link to the video, it's a super quick recipe. I got it from her. I would never go back on this. Instant hair strengthener. It conditions, it moisturizes, it gives shine, it promotes health, it promotes growth. It just balances out the hair. And of course, you always need to follow up with a moisturizer. It is strong. Usually I follow up with an oil, but other people, a moisturizer, a cream, a butter, a lotion, whatever you want to use, what works for you, use it. I haven't used the henna tea in about 2 months or so because you guys know I'm doing the rice water. I don't want to mix and match, so I'm taking a break. Of course, my henna's coming right back real soon. But usually when I do my henna tea, when I first started, I did it every day. And then when I was able to get my hair in a proper moisture and protein balance, I did it every week, every 2 weeks. Sometimes I did it once a month, and then I went back to doing it once a week or every 3rd day. I usually like to do it closer to wash day because it is strong, so it does take a bit of the moisture out of my hair, so I do get some frizz. So I like to do it closer to my wash day. Next is a henna mask. Henna is the only thing in my strengthening category. You guys know I am doing the henna mask every month. I do the mask, I do the spritz. What do I prefer? I think I prefer the tea. The mask, because you know, it's a bit more messier. You have to like prep it, you gotta let it sit, and then you gotta put it on your hair, then you gotta let it sit again, and you gotta wash it out, you gotta, you know, style your hair with the henna tea. I do it for my pre-poo, my scalp massages, and it's pretty quick. The recipe is great, you make it a day ahead. So I prefer the henna tea, but the henna mask is still something that I'm doing and I still love. My number one is just henna tea. The mask, I do it once a month. You guys know I have a video to that. Go ahead and click that white box, it'll take you to it. I have done 3 henna masks so far, one in December, the other one in August, and the third one in September. We're going into October, so I'll be doing a henna mask probably mid-October. So the last on the list is daily refreshers, daily spritz, sprays, moisturizing mist, whatever you want to call it. My number one is aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice. Natural is always best. You can get them at the health food store. You can get aloe vera juice anywhere. You can make your own with just the plant and water. I get mine from Walmart. A big old jug. I think it's about close to 4 liters for less than $10. I drink it. I use it in my hair mask. I use it as a daily spritz. I use it on my face. Aloe vera juice. It is a golden spritz. It is overall bomb for your hair. My favorite way to use it is for a scalp massage. When my hair fell out, when I had bald spots due to over oiling and my pores got clogged so bad, I had to use a really strong dandruff sulfate shampoo just to clarify and just really unclog my pores. And then I got into aloe vera juice. I would use that every day, massage my scalp, and in no time my hair grew back. Once that was happening, I knew aloe vera juice was going to be into my regimen forever. I will take on and incorporate and use anything, especially anything that is natural, into this natural, healthy hair journey. And the journey for healthy hair never stops. You can have waist-length hair. The healthy hair journey does not stop. It is a lifetime journey. Just like the self-care journey, it's forever. It never stops. I would never stop researching and trying out new things, natural things to incorporate and to promote health. That ends this 2-part series. Wow, 2 parts. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you beauties for the next video.